Hello, I'm Bruce, owner of Kamrell Windows Doors. Since 1999, Kamrell Windows Doors has been dedicated to delivering top quality products with expert installation and unmatched customer service. As a licensed and insured general contractor in the state of Florida, we specialize in impact windows and doors. We're proud to be a family-owned and operated business rooted in quality and trust.
At Kamrell, we offer a range of services: material-only purchases, installation, service and repair, and even window rescreening. Every customer receives a tailored experience, and we understand the importance of transparency. We don't believe in high-pressure sales tactics or rushing decisions. Instead, we take the time to educate you so you can make the best choice for your home.
So Kamrell Windows and Doors replaced all of the windows and doors in our entire house. The windows that we had installed are so good that we sometimes don't even hear the airplanes that are flying right over our house, as we live right around the corner from an airport. When we first hired Kamrell, we weren't sure exactly what we wanted with regard to our doors. They took us to their showroom and gave us a lot of different options, and we chose this one door that we just love, and we get so many compliments from friends that come over. One thing about working with Kamrell is that we're kept informed throughout the entire process. Communication was key, and they lived up to that amazingly. I highly recommend Kamrell Windows and Doors for anybody looking to change out any of the windows and doors in their home, and I would use them again in a second.
For us, it's about educating our clients, not just making a sale. That's why we've grown to become one of the best rated dealers in South Florida. Kamrell Windows and Doors, quality you can trust. Call us today. Thank you.